Hi everyone, it's Mayu. こんにちは、Mayu です。元気ですか？よろしくお願いします。This is going to be the fourth video in chapter 5. We're going to learn how to modify nouns using adjectives. We have learned present tense and past tense in the previous video, so if you don't know how to do that, please go back to the previous video to learn them. We had lots of vocabulary.If you know all the vocabulary and how to do present tense and past tense in adjectives, if you think you're ready, you can go on to this video to learn them. Before we're going on to the grammar, we need to learn some more vocabulary and kanji today. Today we're going to learn these kanji. Look at them, okay? Please write them with your finger with me.First, we're going to learn ten, means heaven. Ten, the top line is the longest, the lower line is a little shorter. Then, under the top line, draw the kanji, hito, person. Right? Write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, heaven. It's used in the word tenki, weather. Next one is gen, which means origin or original. Reading could be gan or moto as well. Let's see. Just like before, start by drawing two horizontal lines, but in this case the top line is shorter. So draw a short line first, then a longer line below it. After that, draw a line going downward from the bottom horizontal line, like the shape of katakana ru. Remember to go up at the end. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gen. It's used in words like genki. Now let's learn the kanji ki, which follows both of the previous kanji. It means spirit. Ki. Let's see. First, draw a small katakana no at the top. To its right, draw 3 horizontal lines. The second line is the shortest. The third line extends down and curves slightly upward at the end. Finally, draw a shape like katakana me underneath here. Let's try again. First, no, then 3 lines, and finally, me. Okay, that's ki in genki or in tenki. Now, miru, to see, to watch. The kanji contains the kanji for an eye in its upper half. The shape of this kanji is said to resemble an eye. It's written in the same way as hi, but with an extra horizontal line in the middle. Then let's write this. Start with a vertical line on the left from top to bottom. Draw a horizontal line to the right and then bring it downward on the right side. Yeah? Inside the box, draw 2 horizontal lines across the middle. Finish by drawing another horizontal line at the bottom to close the box. Then it's the kanji for an eye. Then there's a shape resembling katakana ru below it. Same as we saw in the kanji gen, right? Let's write this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom 5. Katakana no ru at the bottom. 6, 7. Don't forget to go up at the end. It's kanji miru, to see, み, or the other reading is けん. Next, let's write the kanji 食べる to eat. 食べる. Other reading is 食. Let's see this kanji. First, draw the rooftop on the top. Start in the middle, stroke left, then stroke right. Below the roof, we'll write the kanji good. いい. Then let's write this kanji good. Begin with the dot in the center. Draw a short horizontal line below the dot, moving right, then bring the line downward. Inside the shape, write one horizontal line in the middle, and below it, add another horizontal line. Then, on the left, long vertical line to the bottom, a slight upward flick at the bottom. Lastly, draw a short diagonal stroke downwards from the right side and finish by writing a long vertical stroke from the center, moving down to the right. Now let's write it again. 1, 2, rooftop, dot, 3, 4, 5, 6, vertical line, 7, go up, 8, 9, 食, 食べる, to eat. Finally, let's learn the kanji 飲む, to drink. The other reading for this kanji is in. The left side of this kanji is a simplified version of 食べる, written in a more compact form. Let's start with the left side, okay? Draw the roof like in 食べる. At the dot below it, write a day-like shape starting with the left top corner to go right and go down. Draw a line in the middle and the bottom from left to right. Then from the left top corner of the day-like shape, go down to the bottom and flicks slightly upward at the bottom. Then write just one diagonal stroke like this. Then exit the right side of the kanji. Start with a small katakana no no at the top left. Then from that to the right, draw a horizontal line and flick downward to the left. Then below that, write the kanji person, like this. Let's write this again. 1, 2, rooftop, dot, 3, 4, 5, 6, vertical line, 7, go up, 8, then right side, no, 9, 10, flicks down, and person, 11, 12, right? 飲む, to drink. Now new vocabulary. Please repeat after me. 食べ物、食べ物、飲み物、飲み物、果物、果物、旅行、旅行、宿題、宿題。Now today's grammar. Let's learn how to modify a noun with an adjective. Adjective is to add some information to a noun, so we need a noun after the adjective. Like this. For example, with e adjective, おいしい as delicious, then a noun is a cake, ケーキ. So, delicious cake will be おいしいケーキ. おいしいケーキ. Just like we do in English, put them together. Let's make some more words. 新しい T シャツ。古い自転車。熱いコーヒー。寒い日。冷たい水。忙しい時間。大きいうち。小さい猫。面白くないアニメ。つまらなくないテレビ。優しくない先生。難しくない本。怖くない映画。楽しくない週末。安くない帽子。高くない時計。良くないスーパー。かっこよくない靴。Then the adjectives. Same as e-adjectives, just put adjective and a noun together. For example, a beautiful flower. Beautiful, きれいな。flower, 花。Put them together. きれいな花。Alright? Let's see more examples. An energetic mother. 元気なお母さん。Not quiet dog. 静かじゃない犬。Not lively cafe. にぎやかじゃないカフェ。My favorite fruit or the fruit I like. 好きな果物。The restaurant I don't like. 嫌いなレストラン。Then let's make sentences using these words. Are you ready? Please repeat after me. ベスさんは新しい T シャツを買いました。公園にかわいい猫がいます。昨日、面白くないアニメを見ました。隣の家に怖い犬がいます。あのデパートで高くないカバンを買いました。お父さんは冷たいビールを飲みました。友達とおいしい晩ご飯を食べました。コンサートで静かなクラシックを聴きました。街でにぎやかなカフェに行きました。これは私の好きな飲み物です。私の嫌いな果物はリンゴです。 That's all for today. Well done. Now you know the kanji, 見る、食べる、飲む、天気 and 元気. Remember, if you are not sure about this kanji, please go back to the beginning of this video and learn them more. If you think you have done with this video, please use the Saru-kun video to practice more sentences. Okay? Please repeat them out loud. Okay then, see you in the next video. じゃあまたね。Bye bye. In today's video, you learned how to use adjectives together with nouns in sentences. Please subscribe to the channel and practice again in the next video. Your writing and questions are always welcome in the comments section and the community. 一緒に頑張りましょう。